Hello Raphael, taking another look at our PlayStation 5 today. Everything still looks to be in good cosmetic condition here. Here on the back, nothing really looks to be out of place except for maybe the slightest off placement of the HDMI port. Going to power on our system here. Blue LED. Waiting for something to show up on our screen. We do get a white LED, and it is telling us no signal. So I did try to show something on there. Maybe it did. Let's try and boot this into safe mode. I'm gonna try and boot our system here into safe mode. I'm just gonna wait for a second beep. There we go. And it doesn't look like we have an image on the screen still. One thing that I did kind of notice here is that we do have a little bit of a wobble there. I guess we're gonna be breaking this down to try and get a better look. Some of the first glances at our HDMI port, nothing looks disturbed here. Motherboard removed and everything here looks pretty good. Just gonna troubleshoot our HDMI port here. Gently gonna push on all of these pins, see if anything moves. Honestly, this all still looks quite solid. And I don't know if our problem is actually going to be our HDMI port. I have a feeling we're gonna be looking somewhere else. Oh, solid. All this looks good. Gonna test for continuity through the port again. It's going from pin 1 here, pin 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5, 6 6, 7 7, 8 8, 9 9. There it is. 10 10, 11 11, 12 12, 13 13, 14 14, 15 15, 16 16. Should be able to get on this side. I think I might have missed one here. That's fine. 18 18 and 19 19. Well, that looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and look down here. Just to make sure that there is no short circuits between anything. Okay, so it doesn't look like there's anything wrong with the port. I think we're looking at something else here. So I think your HDMI port is fine. Based off of kind of what you're describing, this is one of the more common chips to fail. This would be the HDMI encoder. It's a pretty big chip in the back. These sell for about $50. I'm gonna try installing a different one of these guys and see where that gets us. Little chip is removed here. It does look like it may have had a burn mark there on the bottom, where the BOT is of that new baton. So I'll go ahead and replace this. New chip soldered in. We spread our liquid metal here and we reapplied some thermal padding to the areas where they seem to be lacking. Basic test reassembly. Just gonna kind of fire this up and hope that replacing that chip solved our problem. If not, I need to look at smaller components like filters, and yeah, there we go. So it was that chip. That chip failed on you. it's not really anything that anybody can predict, really. What probably happened here, we had a couple of lightning storms. We had a couple of weird things that kind of happens from dust storms and things like that. So I wonder if an electrical spike took that chip out, or if it just gave out just for some random reason. But anyways, whatever the case was, we're up and running again. Just gonna take a quick look here, make sure we're able to get 4K. Gonna come up over here. Sorry, I missed it. Settings. Screen and video. An output signal. 3840 by 2160 is a 4K signal. Warranty seal replaced. System reassembled.